Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating our living room, dining room, and entryway. As most of you know, I do have an open floor plan, so decorating an open floor plan can sometimes be a challenge. So hopefully you'll be able to take some ideas and tricks that I'll be using in my space to help you decorate not only an open floor plan or anywhere in your home. So to start off, I'm just wiping down these ginger jars, and I love them. I had them in another area, just using some Clorox wipes to wipe them down. And I'm also going to use the Clorox wipes to wipe down some new purchases that I'm going to be adding to my dining table. As I mentioned in a previous video, I'm going to be decorating my home as a maximalist. I love home decor, and I do have a lot that I want to share in my space, but I don't want it to feel cluttered. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of my ginger jars throughout this space, vases, and just a few things that I love that are going to be incorporated with the spring season. So this spring season, I am going to incorporate some artificial plants and flowers into my space. And I'm not going to go overboard, but I want it to look refreshing and I don't want it to look cluttered. So as a maximalist, we're going to go big and bold. And my suggestion to you is don't be afraid to mix and match patterns, use a lot of texture, incorporate some color. Also, let that eclectic part of your decor come out by mixing your furniture pieces, mixing wood and metal, modern and traditional pieces. Play with different shapes and sizes to add visual interest in your space. And feel free to showcase your collections. As most of you know, I have collected quite a few ginger jars and vases, so I'm going to be incorporating a lot of those into this area. All right, so I'm going to continue decorating the space. If I have links to anything, I will link it to the video and also share it in the description. Feel free to ask questions and leave them in the comments as soon as you see this video. This turned out really nice, so let's go ahead and decorate the little cove going into my bedroom, and then we can move on to decorating the entryway. Now there are 3 trunks to this collection. I originally purchased the large and the small one because I wanted to put it on top of my bookshelf or bookcase. And I went back and got the other one, which is the medium sized one, because I felt like it would look nice on the floor. And even if I wanted to store one of them somewhere else, I still had the option. But I definitely thought hard about splitting up this set of 3, and I had to have all 3 of them, and I'm absolutely glad I purchased all 3. After adding the candle to this table, I decided the birds would look better, and they do. Now let's move over into the living room area. Now I'm going to swap out the items on top of the bookshelf. I'm not just using it to display my collection of ginger jars. I'm also going to use it to draw your eyes up higher. I want the ceilings to kind of look taller. All right, now I'm adding this bright gold garden stool. It used to be outdoors. I did bring it in after I cleaned it off. And I'm going to be incorporating some more bright gold pieces in the space. And I want to use some color to kind of connect the dots and make sure your eye floats evenly around this open floor plan. I love the pillow covers, but I am not in love with the pillow inserts. So I'm going to swap them out with some inserts that I already had. These are feather and down feel. They're 70% feather and 30% down because I want to be able to chop them and they stay in place. So we're going to swap those out and move on with the rest of the video. Over on the coffee table, this is where I'm going to add some more bright gold. I originally put the ginger jars in the direction that you see them, but I later swapped them out because I want you to be able to see the smaller one from this view as you enter the space. All right, everyone, here is a nighttime view of the space. I absolutely love the way everything is flowing together. We have a wallpaper screensaver going on the TV in the living room just to add a little bit of spring in the space. When decorating an open floor plan as a maximalist, you want to consider to incorporate repetition with color and shapes to create a cohesive and visually appealing space. You can see how I use the colors bronze, bright gold, and this black and white pattern to tie the spaces together to create a sense of balance. The repetition of circles and spheres also added visual interest. I strategically placed these items around my space to create a stylish and inviting look. I almost forgot to show a daytime view of the space, so here it is, and we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It really helps my channel. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.